In today's video, we are going to be reaching another goal, and that is getting 100 terahashes of mining power. And hopefully we get a box that we can open up and get a bonus as well. As you can see right now, I have 294 tokens, and I will be upgrading this miner right here. Right now, I am making slightly over $5 a day. As you guys know, just a while back, I was earning 4 cents a day. Then I got it up to $1, then $2, then $3. Now I am over $5. We are going to $10 a day, $20, $50, until we get to $100 a day worth of Bitcoin. That is the ultimate goal, and hopefully we will get there soon. And these are the daily Bitcoin payouts that I have been receiving. So if you guys want to start mining Bitcoin, the link will be in the description box below. And when we go over to my main dashboard, you will see that my daily payouts have been increasing and my hash power has been increasing as well. And now let's do the quick upgrade so we can get to 100 terahashes and reach another goal. Also, if you are looking for an amazing crypto wallet in order to keep your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other token safe, I highly suggest you check out the Trezors in the description box below. Keep your crypto safe by keeping it in cold storage. That is what I do, and that is what I highly recommend. And now let's do an upgrade on this miner. We are going to press upgrade, and we are going to do the $99 upgrade. This will give us enough terahashes in order to go over 100. As you can see, this will take the miner from 65.23 terahashes all the way up to 68.63 terahashes, and we are going to earn an extra 11 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day. ROI is slightly over 40%. So we are going to press next. You can use your credit card, your debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever you want to pay for the upgrade, but we are going to be using crypto. Bunch of options to choose from. We are going to choose the GoMining token since we have some in my account, and we are going to scroll all the way down. It will cost us 193 tokens, and we are going to press pay. We are going to confirm, and within a matter of seconds, our miner will be upgraded, and now we got those extra terahashes. And now it is official. We are over 100 terahashes, 100.64 to be exact. But this is just the beginning. I will continue to invest until we reach that $100 in Bitcoin daily. Since we have reached over 100 terahashes, that qualifies us for the GoBoxes. And now we are going to go right here, and as you can see, we have +1. And now let's see exactly what we got. I have never opened one of these before simply because they released it right after I got to 50 terahashes, and I pretty much missed out on that reward. But plenty of rewards to go around. And now let's see. We have one gold box available. So we are going to click on it, and let's see what happens. So we got 100 terahashes, which qualifies us for one gold box. And now let's open it and see what we get. We are going to press open. It is opening. All right, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. This is exciting. All right, so we got 15 bonus miner days. Not bad at all. I'm really excited about this reward simply because it will help me earn even more crypto. And when we go back to my mining account, you will see that my bonus miner has an extra 15 days and it is activated. Now my mining power is 116 terahashes, which is amazing. Hopefully for the next 15 days, we'll be able to earn a decent amount of Bitcoin. So the GoBoxes are relatively new, and if you have never heard of them, a GoBox is a digital mystery box filled with prizes that you can earn by completing specific actions within the GoMining ecosystem, most often by reaching new levels in the VIP program. To sum it up, the more you upgrade, the more terahashes you get, the higher you'll be ranked in the VIP program, and you will unlock these boxes. And some of the things that you can win from these boxes are promo codes for discounts or cash back in terahash or tokens, bonus miner days, that is what I just got, or you can get free miners. In my opinion, this is probably the best one, simply because once you get the miner, it mines for you every day for a very long time, and over time it will definitely accumulate you a decent amount of crypto. You can also win GoMining tokens or keys for GoMiner avatars. This is probably the hardest one to get and probably the best one from this list, especially if you are shooting for the biggest prize of them all. So once you get your GoBox, you will have 90 days in order to open it. Personally, as soon as I get it, I'm opening it. I'm not waiting 90 days. And then right here, they break down how each prize is chosen. Just imagine getting a 50 terahash miner or 5,000 GoMining tokens. You'll be able to buy a lot of miners with that amount of tokens, or one access key, or 10% on miner creations. And these are the VIP levels that will allow you to earn a GoBox. So for example, once you reach 5 terahashes, you'll be bronze 2. Once you reach 10 terahashes, you'll be silver 1. 25 terahashes is silver 2. Right now, I am on gold 1 with 100 terahashes. But once I get to 200 terahashes, I'll be at gold 2, and hopefully I will get another box. Then platinum 1, platinum 2, more and more boxes, all the way down to elite. Now that I'll be earning even more crypto, I will be upgrading a little bit faster. The more terahashes I get, the faster and faster these upgrades happen. Also, let me know in the comment section below, what did you get from your first GoBox? And that is all I have for this quick little video. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to start mining. The link will be in the description box below. See you in the next one. Peace out.